Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, and if you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a solo diaries video. I think this is part 3. We are starting off the video with an unboxing. Okay, we gotta keep it interesting. Comment down below what you think it is before I go ahead and open it. I'm gonna give y'all a few seconds. Okay, so if you got your comment down below and you commented what it was, I don't think y'all is ready. I don't think y'all are ready for this, honestly, because I'm not even ready. Y'all are not gonna guess what I got. Y'all are not gonna guess. Y'all can't even see. I got an Adobe sunrise alarm clock. I was not gonna get a hatch because this is money, honey. This was like 50 bucks. Let me open it. Yeah, this is specifically put together. She got some stuff going on. Yeah. First thing that it kind of has, like in the top, it has like the little charger. So let's get to the actual machine now. Y'all, I'm so excited. Oh, this is so nice. This thing got a lot of options on it. I love how the snooze button is big. We can't have that. That would be too quick to turn it off. Oh, 15 a.m. Oh, 12. It's definitely not that time. Let me go ahead and change this. Let me look at this thing. Hey guys, I'm gonna build my chair so when I get home I don't really gotta do too much, or I really need to start focusing on my dresser. I think I'm gonna put my flowers in the water right now because I don't want it to get old and die. So this is what I'm gonna put it in. But look at these flowers, guys. They're so pretty. you guys just saw, that was actually the fastest that I've gotten ready. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is the fit. This top is Fashion Nova. This top underneath is Fashion Nova. This is why I got the freaking top, y'all. So I can wear stuff like this and not be like burning up hot. I'm so excited. Like, today is such a beautiful day. I can already sense it in my spirit and my soul. Like, literally, y'all, when I literally tell you, when I woke up this morning, I didn't immediately go on my phone. I wanted to wake up and read my Bible first and spend some time with the Lord. That has never happened, I'm pretty sure. I'm actually shook. I literally been praying to God, asking him, Lord, help me to have a hunger for your word, be focused on you and your word and your presence, be hungry for it. Like, wake up in the morning and hungry for your word. I was playing a game on Roblox and like, I went to like a church game, kind of like a ministry game. I love me some Jesus, okay? And they were literally praying for people in there. Like, people have been like following the Lord for so long. Those people have been like, they were following the Lord for like literally 3+ years. I feel like God has taken me so far, and I've only been doing this for like a year. I absolutely love that God is using me in the way that he is. This is what I want to do. I want to do ministry. I want to do all of this stuff for the Lord because I know that he changed my life, and I want to plant seeds in people so he can change y'all life too. I didn't put it in this video of a Bible study, but I did do one today, as y'all know, and it's really good. I want to clock me. So honestly, regret getting this bag because like it's true religion, because it's not true religion, it's a false religion. That's what it should be, false religion. So every time I mention this bag, I'm gonna call it false religion. So I'm wearing false religion right now. This is just a bag that I got from Didi. I will see you guys when we are at the luncheon because I'm starving and we're both hungry. So let's go ahead and go. Okay guys, hello. Right now I'm gonna go put gas in my car since I don't have any gas. I'm literally running on E. I'm gonna go get my food. I just ordered my crab legs and stuff like that. I will see you guys when I am most likely just picking up my food. I don't like recording when I'm getting gas. Like, it's just chaotic every single time, like without fail. I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. So I just got my food. I will see you guys most likely when I'm home. If I don't see you guys when I get home, y'all see me tomorrow. Hey guys, what's up? I know I look a little crazy. I'm about to get my hair done, so not too much. I'm actually not gonna get my hair done immediately right now. I'm gonna get a lash lift, and I'm trying to do like a natural eyelash journey right now. My first appointment is at 10 o'clock, and then after the 10 o'clock appointment, then I have my hair appointment. That's at 1. Then after that, then I need to go to Home Depot because I need to get some blinds for my window. I'm gonna get my car washed. I'm probably gonna get my car washed before because my car looks absolutely disgusting. Anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys when I'm on my appointment.
What the dog doing?
Okay guys, I just got the lash lift. My camera's on 9%. Why is it on 9%? Because it was recording. I didn't even know it was recording. I couldn't freaking see. I had to turn it off, and I turned it on apparently. My lashes are naturally short, so it's not really much going on. So I'm probably gonna go get something to eat, and then I'm gonna go home to drop it off to my mom. I did not get any footage. I actually just deleted the footage because it was 2 videos and they were both about an hour long, so I deleted both of those. Let's go ahead and get some food. Okay guys, oh, it shocks me every single time I get my hair done at my length. Look at my length. Like, I haven't gotten a retwist since January. Thank you Jesus, because like what the heck, this is my hair. The middle part is too crispy. Look at this length. Like, I'm actually shook. I'm in love with this. Like, y'all, eventually my hair gonna be right here. Let's talk about it. I say in 6 months. I say in 6 months. 6 months, y'all. 6 months, y'all finna see me. Y'all finna see me. Y'all really finna see me. Now I'm about to go ahead and go to Home Depot. I wanted to get some measurements for my window so I can get some window stuff for my window, because my window is broken. My window has a blue cover over it because it's literally broken. Not the window itself, but like the cover for the window, and it's honestly got like ghetto. Let's go, girl. Hey guys, what's up? So it is currently the next day. It is Sunday. It's like 5 o'clock right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put up my dresser and set it up and everything like that, because this dresser literally is broken. Like, there is no bottom to this anymore. The bottom is gone. Well, it's not gone, it's just not attached to the rest of it anymore. Let's go ahead and get this up out of here. I'm not excited to do this, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I got content to watch, I got videos to watch and stuff like that, so we're good. My girl Marjane posted. Okay.
What the dog doing?
Okay guys, so with a lot of trial and error, it's done! But it has a lot of storage. You can honestly fit a lot of stuff in here. It's 8:14. I am going to organize my dresser so I can get this out of my room.
What the dog doing?
Okay guys, so I did go ahead and put the dresser here. It feels so weird, and it's not even full, which is actually amazing. This is empty, and this is empty, and I think this is empty too. I'm tired. What time is it? 9:38. I'm glad that I got it done. It looks nice. So I'm gonna decorate it now, or kind of just put this stuff that was already on my dresser back on it. I am gonna get rid of this. I just don't know when. Candles gonna go right here. I'm gonna keep this. It's a pretty big like vase looking thing. I honestly want to like clean it out and use it for something. I'm not sure what. Maybe like my makeup brushes or something. I'm gonna most likely see you guys in another clip when I'm not here. So I think I'll see you guys next week, this weekend or something. Peace out. Guys, what's up? So it is the next morning. So right now I am going to make some breakfast because I'm actually very hungry. I'm just gonna make me some eggs because it's 8:58 and I really got a lot of time. I haven't cooked breakfast or anything really in weeks. And guys, I kind of want to say as well, I think after this video I am going to be switching my content. It's not going to be like drastic or anything like that, but I just feel like my videos recently have not been like God-centered. Like I used to do Bible studies and stuff like that and talk about, you know, how God is working in my life. I just want to talk about God more. I want to go back to doing my Bible studies. I'm trying to do more things and stuff like that, but I think I should just stick to what God wants me to do, content about Him, instead of just making it about me, which is something that I do and that's something that I have been doing, like doing like videos, makeup and stuff like that. All that stuff is good because I am interested in those things, but I feel like that shouldn't be my main content source because that's not what I built it on. Well, it is what I built it on, but it's not what I want it to be based on. I want it to be based on Jesus. I want to be preaching the word and spreading the gospel. If you don't like those kind of videos, I'm for you, baby. Christian YouTube groups, they just motivate me. And like when I'm going through something and I don't have the answer, I don't know like a prayer that I should do or whatever, there's a YouTuber out there that knows exactly what to say. They're probably going through the same exact thing and God is helping them through that. And I just pray that I'm helping other people in their walk with Christ. Hey guys, so I just want to come on here and end off this video. Kind of all over the place, so sorry about that. But I'm honestly very happy about the video. Like, it's super cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.